The 1991 Lennox unit here is now running, along with the 2007 2007 American Standard Odyssey, but the 2005 American Standard Odyssey straight cool unit shut off. The heat pump right here, 2007 heat pump still running. And this started up just recently. It's right here, it says Lennox. Let's see here. The model number is HS18-653-8Y. Serial number is 5191E07627. And it's right down there, it says, in the lower left hand corner, it says 0591, which is the date of manufacture. Now the first Odyssey, which is the heat pump, it's currently running. It says, you can see it says American Standard. The model number is TWA090A300FB. Serial number 70844WKAD, is made in 2007. This American Standard straight, and that, like I said, this is the heat pump. The straight cool unit is currently off, and its model number is TTA090A300FA. Serial number is 54322E7AD. It was made in 2005. Here's a look at the fan while it's off. I'm gonna head back over to the Lennox, and this unit is rather loud, and I'm gonna remove this leaf from it. So yeah, a 1991 Lennox unit that's currently running, a 2007 American Standard Odyssey heat pump that's currently running, and a 2005 American Standard Odyssey straight cool unit that's currently off. Over and out.